Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. You know I have a lot of boxes to share with you, and I kind of am putting them in the order of when I received them so that they can disinfect a little bit. My Wantable is the next one that's ready. So with Wantable, you don't really have a preview of what's coming, and so you can tell I just kind of ripped it open once it was ready because I was dying to see what's inside. So I did look at the items and I kind of went through them, but I didn't try anything on yet. I thought we'd do that together and keep the tradition going, right? So let's get to the try on and see what I got and see if there's any keepers in this box. So I'll be right back. All right, first dress is by Skies Are Blue. My price sheet was upside down. This is the high-low wrap dress in red, $89. So the material, 55% viscose, 45% rayon, and there's a lining to this dress, which is 100% rayon. Now, with this dress, there is a modesty snap right here. I feel like it's just not in the right place. And it's just kind of creating some gapping, which is not a good look. So I will unbutton it, but it's not for long because it is very low. It's low. So I'm just gonna button that back up. So it's a cute, I like the wrap style dresses, and I feel like they're a good, like the faux wrap style dresses are a good look for me. But this one, I wouldn't want to be worried about the gapping here all the time. I do like the flutter sleeves. I think it's a great, sleeve. I'm going to come closer to show you the print. The print is a small, very, very tiny floral print. I don't even know if you're going to be able to, can you see that? It's pretty. And I'll back up so you can see the whole dress. So like the title says, or the name says, it is a high-low dress. Can you see? There you go. So it is a wrap style as well, and then it does tie over here. It's cute. I'm just not thrilled about the top of this dress, and I would be concerned about, So I'm gonna send this dress back just for that reason, but it's very comfortable. It's very lightweight, so it would be a great summer dress. I was feeling for pockets. I just filmed a trunk club video and I found a dress, I tried on a dress and I found the pockets while I was trying it on. So that was exciting. But anyway, yeah, it's cute. And I do like that it's longer in the back too, but yeah, this one's gonna go back because I can already tell, I'd just be like, I'd wanna hold it like this all day. This is a good length for me. I'm totally okay with this. It's just, I feel like the snap should have been here. You know what I mean? But it's in a weird spot. All right, enough about it. I'm sending it back. I'll be right back with the next piece of clothing. I think I have shirts and pants now. So I think this was the only dress, but I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Hazel. This is the printed sleeveless ruffle neckline top in red floral. It's an extra large, it's $58, it's 100% rayon. So it says I requested this item. I don't remember doing that, but you go through the stream and you put the heart or the decline. I probably did that. So this is a very pretty blouse. I do like red. I'm not gonna keep this blouse because I already have a similar blouse. It's not the same exact thing, but it's a red blouse. I think it's from Stitch Fix. And I like that blouse better than this one. So I don't need two similar blouses in my closet, which is why I'm sending it back, but I'm still gonna talk about it. So it does have a split V neckline. I do like the material and it just feels great. I do like the floral print as well. It is just kind of like a tank top. It's cute. So if you don't have something like this, then this is a good option. I like it. There's nothing wrong with this top. It does have some pleating up here. I think it's a cute top. And I think it was machine wash cold, which is nice because sometimes when you get stuff in boxes, it could be hand washed and then you don't notice until after. I gotta be better at looking at that. But anyway, it's very cute. It'd be cute with, it's good with these black pants. These black pants they sent me, I love already. I'll show you those in a little while, but they'd be cute with the black pants. They'd be cute with white pants. So I do like this top. I just don't need it. So I'm only adding unique items to my closet at this point. So it's going back, but cute top. All right, I will be right back with the next item. All right, I am back with the next top, which is also by the brand Hazel. This is the V-neck sheer sleeve top in red. It's an extra large. It's $32, which for Wantable is a pretty good price. And it's 100% polyester, but There's a lining to this top, which is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I'm on the fence about this top. I think it needs to be a little bit longer. So I think that's what it is. It kind of is a little bit boxy looking to me, but I'm not sure. I can't wait to watch back and see the footage. And I also feel like the top doesn't lay right over the lining. Does that make sense? Like, it just feels like it's laying wrong. And I don't know if it's because it's like attached and I don't know, the neckline, look at the neckline. And it's like I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute, but I just don't think I love it. I was hopeful for this, but I really just think it needs to be a little bit longer. I think that's the problem with this top. But I will turn around and show you the back. I love the price. I love the color. I think the color is gorgeous. I like the 3/4 length sleeves, and I like that even though it's a long sleeve or 3/4 length sleeve top, it's lightweight enough that I could bring this into spring. Well, we're already in spring, but I can bring this into summer, you know, because I live in New England and it's cold here. It's still cold here. Well, cooler. So yeah, I don't know. I'm on the fence. I'm going to watch back and see, and you let me know what you think, and I'm going to change. I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, am I a camo girl? I think I might be. This top is by B Collection by Bobeau. This is the Camo Cozy Hoodie in camel print. It's an extra large, $68 though. 75% rayon, 21% polyester, 4% spandex. Now, I will tell you, I'm not normally a hood girl, but last Wantable box or the one before that, I got a hooded cardigan, and it's one of my favorite cardigans, probably one of my favorite pieces in my whole wardrobe. And this might be next. I love the material. It's, first of all, it's so soft, so super soft. I love the neckline, and I love the soft colors of this top. Like the white, it has some light gray, and it has some pink in it. How cute. Very comfortable, very cozy. I'm working from home a lot. So yeah, this would be a great top to pull for in the mornings. I could still like dress it up a little bit. Like I could wear a necklace with this or some fun. Ooh, my new silver earrings from Roxbox. If you didn't see that video, I'll pop a card up above to it. I got some silver hoops. How pretty would those be with this? Just saying. So I'll show you the back too. Maybe I'll put the hood on. We'll see. I like it. I think I might keep this one. I know $68 is a little bit expensive, but might be worth it. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna change and I'll be right back. Okay, I think it's official. I think my favorite cardigans are Wantable cardigans. This one is by W by Wantable. That's the other one that I have upstairs. That's what it's by. It's a long cardigan with hoodie and dark charcoal, extra large, $68. 76% rayon, 20% polyester, 4% spandex. I do like the color of it. It does have a hood. I just don't need another cardigan. I know I'm probably gonna get that camo hoodie, but this one has pockets. You know, I think it takes me in a little bit. What do you think? Do I keep it? No, I don't need it. We're going into the warmer weather. It is lightweight though. It's very lightweight. The sleeve length is perfect. It's very hard for me to find a sleeve length that's perfect, that hits me perfectly. It is very long, but I like it. Now oh gosh, I don't need it. I don't need it, but it's very comfortable. It is a ribbed cardigan. Can you see that? I think you can see that. Wantable. They have great cardigans. What can I say? All right, let me show you the back of it. Oh, look, I just noticed that as I was doing my little twirl. It splits. Oh, that's kind of nice. I do not need another cardigan. I'm gonna send this one back. Let me take it off before I'm tempted. Actually, no, I gotta show you the pants. No, this is too long of a top. Let me put the camo hoodie back on because I think I'm gonna keep that, and I'll show you the pants with that on. That's what I'll do. Hang on one second. All right, hang on. Before I show you the pants, I want to show you the necklace because I feel like it's a good way to show you the necklace. This is by Gorjana. This is the Parker wrap necklace, $80. So it's very pretty. It's just kind of like a chain, whoops, a chain link necklace. Can you see that? So it is very pretty, and you can wrap it, so I could probably undo it and wrap it, or you can wear it long, which is nice, but I'm not gonna pay $80 for this right now. I have a lot of jewelry. I don't really need that much more jewelry, and I'm still doing rocks back, so yeah, this is going back, but it is very pretty. So if you're looking for something like this and you're willing to spend 80 bucks, this might be your necklace. All right, let me show you the pants that I think I'm gonna keep. Hang on one second. All right, so I am back with the pants. These are by Michael Studio. They are the Alexa pull-on ankle pant in black, $69. These are very comfortable and they fit great. So I think these would be a very good pant to wear to work. They are high-waisted, which I really like. They fit me at they hit me at the right spot, I should say, on my ankle. So they'd be good to wear with heels or cute sandals, wedges as it gets warmer. I'll show you the back of them too. So I really like these pants, and since sometimes it's hard for me to find pants that actually fit me well because of my height, I think I'm gonna keep these. And I do wanna show you too, right here, they have like a detail, like the zip. It's not functional, but it's cute. And I have it on the other side as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these. Let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna change. I'll be right back and we will do a recap. All right, so what do we think? I have some keepers. Let's go through the things I am sending back. So the first thing I'm sending back is the dress. While it was cute, I just would be concerned about the modesty snap and the closure and things like that. So I don't want to be worried about my clothes like that, but I want to show you up close the pattern. There you go. Now you can get a better idea of what the pattern is. It's cute, but I don't know. I love the style and the cut, but maybe I think I need a solid color dress, but I have a fashion box waiting for me, and I think there might be a solid wrap dress in there, or faux wrap. Anyway, so this top by, what was it, Hazel? I'm also gonna send this one back. Like I said, I have something very similar in my closet that I pull for a lot, so I don't need a duplicate or something similar. This other red Hazel top I am gonna send back as well. While I liked it, I just didn't love it. I love the color. That's like my favorite part. Isn't it so vibrant? I love this color, especially this time of year, but I just wasn't thrilled about the style. I think if it were a little bit longer, or maybe just a different cut, it might have been better. All right, I'm sad, but I'm gonna send back the cardigan. I just don't need another cardigan right now. If we were going into the cooler months, I may have kept this. I would have kept this. I won't lie to you. I would have kept this if we were going into the cooler weather, but since we're coming out of it, hopefully, I'm gonna send this back, but I really love it. Wantable has some great cardigans. All right, and then I know that this is a hoodie too, and a long sleeve hoodie, but I'm gonna keep this one. This is gonna be good. It's lightweight, it's soft, and it'll be good. I have a piece of hair that's like driving me crazy. I gotta get my hair cut. I know all of you do too. So it's lightweight, so I can wear this like on a cool summer night, maybe, if we get to go on vacation and walk the beach, or, sit by the fire even, or I can wear it now when I'm working from home because it's still cool here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I really, really liked this. So this is gonna stay with me. And I also liked the work pants. Well, I call them work pants because that's what I'd use them for. I think they're so cute. They fit great. The length was great. I love the zipper details. So if I ever wanted to do like a front tuck, I could show that off. And it's hard for me to find work pants that fit sometimes because of my height. So I think I'm gonna stick with these. What'd you think? I thought it was a good box. Couple keepers, so it's a good box to me. So I appreciate you watching and spending some time with me today. A little distraction, right? So I have a couple more boxes. I think I'm gonna try to film one more now if I can, and I'll get that up. I'm gonna try to stagger them a little bit just so, we have some to get us through. So again, thank you for watching and for hanging in there with me. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.